Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a quick win Anita Espresso machine. Now we'll be replacing the water pump, the thermostat on this machine, as well as give it a tune-up, replacing pretty much shower screen and gasket. And as you can see, this gasket definitely needs replacing. It's cracking all up completely. And just for comparison, this is a new gasket. So the machine is not working perfectly fine. The steamer is amazing, working really well, as well as the hot water. So let's do a shot of espresso to test it out properly. Hopefully I got the grind correctly so we can see a good shot. It needed to be a little more finer, but good water flow and good crema. The machine is working perfectly fine. Wonderful. Good water flow. Working perfectly. Okay, thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day.